what is the King's Indian defense in chess? And let's go over the moves right quick. We got the moves d4, knight f6, c4, g6, and then knight c3. And these are the most popular moves in this opening, but knight c3 initiates the King's Indian defense, even though this is a black opening. After bishop g7, e4, d6, this is a well-known structure of the King's Indian defense. After the move e4 and d6, we got the move knight f3, castle kingside, bishop e7, e5, castle kingside, knight c3, d5, knight to e7, b4, knight to h5, rook e1, then the move f5. And these are the most popular moves, and this is the King's Indian defense in chess.